This is a 1974 Dodge Charger Rallye, a real Mopar project with serious potential, listed for $3,250 in Woodstock, Georgia. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, this Charger shows 107,000 miles and represents the mid-70s muscle era that many builders are rediscovering today. Originally, this car came as a 360 V8 paired with a 727 automatic transmission, a classic and durable Mopar combination. While the original drivetrain is no longer complete, the car now has a 1977-era long block installed, giving the next owner a solid starting point for a rebuild or performance upgrade. This Charger is equipped with a desirable 8 3/4 rear end with sway bar package, an aluminum 4-core radiator, and hard-to-find parts like a fiberglass bubble hood and dual exhaust rear valence, which already add value for the right buyer. However, this is clearly a project or parts car. It spent time in Pennsylvania, so rust is present in typical areas such as the quarter panels, floor pans, trunk, and lower body sections. The transmission and drive shaft are missing, meaning this build will require commitment, time, and vision. The good news? The interior is in surprisingly good condition for its age, featuring bucket seats and a slapstick console shifter, making it a strong candidate for either a full restoration or a pro touring style build. This Charger isn't for everyone, but for the right Mopar enthusiast, it could be the foundation of something special. Not perfect, not easy, but this 1974 Charger Rallye is pure Mopar soul, waiting for the right hands to bring it back.